Welcome to the ultimate guide to finding the best workbenches for your workspace. Before we reveal our top picks, let's dive into what makes the best workbenches stand out from the rest. First feature to consider is material and build quality. A workbench's durability and functionality heavily depend on its construction. Wood-top workbenches usually made of hardwood are classics, known for their resilience and impact absorption. Metal workbenches made of high-grade steel with welded joints and reinforced structures are suitable for more demanding environments, with their superior strength and durability. Composite materials offer the best of both worlds with their lightweight yet sturdy design, resistance to corrosion and modern features like chemical resistance and static dissipation. Next, ergonomics and design play a crucial role. An ergonomic workbench can significantly enhance comfort and efficiency, featuring adjustable heights and alignments to prevent strain and increase productivity. Size and space considerations cannot be overlooked. The right-sized workbench should match your space's dimensions and the scale of your projects. Built-in storage, foldable designs, and modular systems can help maximize your workspace without sacrificing functionality. Lastly, safety features are very important in choosing a workbench. From rounded corners and non-slip surfaces to electrical grounding and static dissipation, these elements are designed to protect you and your work. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to choose the ideal workbench that meets your demands. Here are the best options based on these crucial factors. First, we have the ULINE anti-static standard workbench that is designed for sensitive electronic work. This workbench features an adjustable anti-static laminate top, providing protection from static electricity. Its easy-adjust hand crank allows for seamless height changes throughout the day, ensuring comfort and adaptability in dynamic work environments. Next on the list is the Global Industrial Mobile Workbench. This workbench's surface is crafted from tough phenolic resin, known for its resistance to moisture, chemicals, and heavy use. Its robust 14-gauge tubular steel legs promise unparalleled support and a 2,000 pounds capacity when weight is evenly distributed. The pre-wired power apron is a standout feature, offering easy access to electrical power with 3 duplex outlets, a circuit breaker, and a 13L power cord. The Workpro adjustable workbench is another top choice. It features a robust 1.3mm steel frame and a durable, eco-friendly rubber wood top, supporting up to 2,000 pounds for heavy-duty tasks. It also includes an ETL-certified power strip with both AC and USB-A ports, adding functionality and convenience to your workspace. Next is the Seville Classics Ultra Graphite Workbench, which offers a mobile solution and is equipped with 4 casters for easy transportation. It's made of polyurethane-coated wood surface and a steel frame that can handle up to 500 pounds. It features an integrated organizer drawer with adjustable dividers that enhances organization and functionality. Completing the list is the Gladiator Hardwood Workbench. It is built for durability and adaptability, featuring a 1 3/4 inch thick solid hardwood top and a sturdy steel frame capable of supporting up to 3,000 pounds. Its adjustable height, ranging from 27.5 to 40.8 inches, ensures ergonomic comfort for a variety of tasks, fully complying with ADA requirements. That wraps up our review of these 5 workbenches. Whether you need a workbench for heavy-duty tasks, electronic work, or something mobile and versatile, there's an option out there to meet your needs. Remember, the right workbench isn't just a piece of furniture, it's the heart of productivity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest guides and reviews.